Hi, this is Sharon. Here's a little sampler from my Burning Academy. Enjoy!
And many of these areas, like right here, this is in deep shadow. That's why there are no details in here. And then I have an edge here of my wheel and more darkness. When in doubt as to how to shade these in, always go with the direction of whatever object you are burning. Okay? So this is a circular area, so as I go through, I will burn it in a circular fashion. I leave a little edge here. It'll be barely visible, but it is there, and I'm actually going to darken it even more than that. But I don't cut it off. When I have these open areas like this, what I will do is I fade them out, so that they're not just cut off. They appear to fade into the darkness. To go in and slowly come around into the areas that are lighter. If you hear me, I sometimes blow on this so it'll cool it off just a tiny bit. And go real dark in here, and possibly dark in here, and I work my way through bringing in this darkness and blending it right in to the wheel so that it looks natural,